So let's watch the video related to oscilloscope reading. So that video is, I can play it from here. What is oscilloscope? See, the multimeter will only give you the reading. See, it connect this. If you go back here, this is the channel. You see the black wire to the channel 1. These channels mean the outer equipment you are connected with your oscilloscope. So you connect this wire with the channel 1, turn on the oscilloscope, and this is the screen, and this is the setting for the screen. The second end of the wire is connected with the, you can see this black wire connected with the electric wire. He is connecting this wire to the main home appliance, or you can say the direct electricity coming from our homes. So he connect this wire to the 120 volt AC. In Pakistan we are used 220, but in some countries they are using 120. So in this the origin from where this video is, they connect their direct wiring with 120, and you can see these types of sine waves. So if you connect that 120 with the multimeter will only say 120 volt is coming, but oscilloscope is showing the sine waves. Sine waves means how the current is coming. Is there any up and down in the current? If there is an up and down, then these sine waves will be small and big with the time passage. See, a multimeter is showing that the AC current is coming 120 volt only, but an oscilloscope is telling that it's coming constant. There is no up and down in the current. Now you will see how we have to read this screen. So the horizontal represents the time, while vertical gives you the so these are the buttons you can use, or these are the regulators you can use for changing the size of the vertical or horizontal that blocks. Okay, when you connect your home electricity, that is AC current, you see the sine waves. But when you connect something digital, it will give you this digital waves, that is 0 and 1. So it can be used for both digital and for analog description. So you can watch this whole video. In this video he will connect this microcontroller also, and showing you that the microcontroller is showing 2.5 volt, and oscilloscope will give you the 2.5 volt digital wave. Now he tell about these two buttons. So you can use this horizontal regulator to change the time of the wave, that from which time period and till which time period you want to see the wave. You can change with this horizontal knot. So with the vertical knot you can change the reading or voltage reading, that till high voltage you want to read or you want to read the low voltage reading. So this oscilloscope have 4 channels. So if 4 devices are connected with a special connector, all these 4 signals will be shown on the screen with the different type of colors, so that you know that okay, this is first channel, this is second device, and this is third channel device. So this is the knot that we always probe, which we connect with the device. See, there is also an inside circuit for this, but you no need to read about the inside circuit. See that with this probe you can also connect with any type of micro component, connect with that, and it will show you the reading for that component. So I will also put this video on LMS. So from today's lab we know that what is oscilloscope and how it works. So this was our last lab, and you can start preparing for your final exams. Syllabus is all there on LMS, but still if you need any type of help, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you for today's lecture.